The best 10 days on the planet are these 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. The days of Dhul Hijjah are superior even to the days of Ramadan. But so far as the nights are concerned, the nights of Ramadan are superior to the nights of Dhul Hijjah. And these days, the Prophet ﷺ instituted some acts of worship for us. So the first act of worship, fast 9 days of Dhul Hijjah. The second act of worship, to increase the adhkar, to increase the glorification, magnification of Allah Rabbul Izzah. The third act of worship in particular is the fast of the day of Arafah. The Prophet ﷺ in a hadith mentions to us that the fast of Arafah removes and deletes and clears the sins of 2 years. Allah Rabbul Izzah grant me and you the tawfiq